If setting up booths still means spreadsheets, endless revisions, and last-minute chaos, this video is for you. In the real world, poor booth planning costs time, revenue, and sanity. That's why MapD was built to simplify booth setup and management for real events. With MapD, you can set up your entire booth layout in just 4 simple steps. No guesswork and no back and forth. Step 1. Define booth types. Each booth type includes size, price, and color, giving you full flexibility to assign them across your floor map. Step 2. The Multiple Booth Editor, your central hub for managing booth details at scale. This tool lets you edit all booth info in one place. Update booth numbers, titles, types, price overrides, reservation codes, exhibitor assignments, and purchasability without touching each booth one by one. Step 3. Automatic booth numbering. Assign numbers to all booths instantly. No manual errors, no mismatched layouts. Step 4. Booth snapshots. Save a snapshot of your booth layout at any point, so you can restore the map to that exact state whenever needed. What used to take hours or days now takes minutes. Organizers manage everything in one place. Exhibitors see accurate maps, and your event runs smoother than ever. If you're planning a trade show, conference, or expo, MapD is the modern way to set up and manage booth layouts. Book a demo today and see it in action.